Welcome to Success Tips. People tend to believe more of what they see in written print as opposed to the spoken word. When presenting credit or insurance to your customer, utilize the many sources of information available to you that can create value and justify your customer's expenditure. By spending just a few hours on the internet, you can find almost endless illness and injury statistics that support the sale of illness and injury protection. Statistics and facts can also be found that are specific to your geographic region. For Canadian dealerships, Statistics Canada provides an abundance of information on their website at statscan.ca. For U.S. dealers, the Census has pages and pages of pertinent information. Their website address is census.gov. You can also find interesting statistics and facts at fedstats.com. Have all of this printed information available to your customer. One of the most common objections from customers with respect to illness and injury protection is the fact that they have workplace benefits that provide income in the event that they're unable to work. I have 100% coverage at work, says your customer. Yet very few people have actually read their workplace benefits package and have little understanding of what the plan actually covers and the details. What percentage of income is paid to the employee in the event of illness or injury? How long do these benefits last? Is this short-term or long-term coverage? Does the percentage of coverage change once it converts to long-term coverage? And are the benefits taxable? Rather than grill your customer with questions about their specific plan and create confrontation, know the answers in advance. Collect copies and printouts of workplace benefits programs. Ask family, friends, and neighbors for a copy of their programs. You'll also find hundreds of plans posted on the internet that do not require special login passwords. Government, municipal, military, the private sector, etc. As you begin to collect and examine these plans, you'll notice common coverage elements. More importantly, you'll notice significant weaknesses and gaps in the coverage. Keep a pile of these printed plans on the corner of your desk, within easy viewing of your customer. If your customer spots the large pile of the plans, they will perceive you to be knowledgeable on the subject and may not so quickly tell you that they have 100% coverage through the workplace plan. Moreover, if you have an abundance of plans, you may have a plan familiar to your customers, the same profession or industry, for example, to use as a comparative. Use these plans to educate your customer as to the typical weaknesses of workplace plans, their limited coverage, and clauses. You'll find that your customers will be surprised by your research and expertise, especially if you can prove it with the written word. I'm Chris Schultes. See you next time for another Success Tip.